welcome back to my channel. I got something pretty special here, something that I had been wanting to order and found out I had them in my damn trunk when I purchased my Challenger GT. All right. The aluminum brake pedals. Super dope. Aluminum brake pedals. All right. Aluminum acceleration pedal. Okay. I can't wait to put these on. I have the ugly black ones on right now. This is the back of it. All right, and that's a lip. And they say these are pretty hard to install, but I'm gonna try to make it look pretty simple. And that's the lip here, if you wanna know what it looks like, okay? So that's the brake pedal. And then you also have the acceleration pedal. All right. Acceleration pedal. That's the back of it. And then it has like a clamp. And these are pretty easy to put on, they say. So it's as simple as just putting it over the black acceleration pedal and clamping down on it. Okay. So that's it. So I can't wait to get these put on. Stay around in the actual video as far as the price, okay? Even though I didn't purchase these, you can still find these online on Amazon too. So the link will be in the description below. So just make sure you look at the name description up under the video, and all you have to do is touch it and you'll see where to purchase these also. So I'm gonna try to make it look really easy for you all. And here we go in a couple of seconds. Get it installed for you. All right, you all, I'm about to go ahead and put these pedals on right now. So got the brake pedal, which they say is the hardest one to do. That's the back of it. All right, and then also the acceleration pedal here. All right, we're gonna put that on too, and that's just a clamp, so that should be super easy to do. All right, so we're gonna start here, and I'm just working with one hand, y'all, so bear with me. It looks like it's just some clamps, so like you just simply just clamp it. Let me wipe it off. Looks a little dusty. All right. Now we're gonna put this. This is gonna make it look nice. Let me see where my clamps are. Okay, so the clamps are on the side. So obviously, go here. There it goes. It was a bit quick. So that was easy. That's on. That's crazy. So that's dope. All right. Now this is the one that they say is the hardest one to do. So I'm gonna have to set the phone down and I'll let you see the back of it. That way you can get a better visual at what's going on, okay? All right, so here we go, guys. And I should be able to, okay, so here we go. All right. All right, here we go, guys. So the back of it, let me see if I can get you some light. Hang on a second. Turn the car on. Light, and that's the back of the brake pedal. So that's the back of it, so you guys can actually see, okay? All right, so here we go. I'm gonna just pull this off, and I'm assuming you just do it simple as this, and it is pretty freaking tough. Okay, here we go. Got one side. Got another side, and it's off. So I got it. All right, so just so you guys can see, I got the old one off. And I'm about to put the aluminum one on, and they say this is really hard to do, so here we go. I'm gonna pull this off. because I got to get this on. Okay, I chose a different way. So what I did was I pushed up on it. I took these little lips on the side, if y'all can see. That lip that I showed you earlier, and I took that lip and I moved them back this way. And then I slid it up. So then that leaves only one room for me to use this screwdriver and then try to get that top lip on because everything else is on. There we go. That side is on. It's one side, so the left side just went on. If you can see right there, that side just hit the corner. There we go. I'll try to see this. There we go. Almost there. Almost damn there. Oops. A little piece of plastic came off. I think I got it, just about, almost. Lift up. It's just this piece right here that's still in there. It's almost in there, y'all. You can see it's just that little part that's all the rest of it. Oh, that's a little part too. Might have to get a little screwdriver. Okay. There we go. Got that side. Oh shit. Alright, that's in there. I'm just working on that here. And I think I got it, guys. Oh my God, that was hard. That's it. It's in there. There we go. And it's in there. Sorry about the bad footage, guys, but it is what it is. I want you to see the back of the brake pedal because that shit was hard to do. So that's it. It's on there. Let's look at the, let's see how it looks now. All right. right, so beautiful work done. Took some damn time, but that shit came out fucking beautiful. That's it, fellas. Make sure they on there tight. This is on there tight. It was hell to get on there, but I got it. And that's the old one. And I'm gonna hold on to that. They say throw it away. Yeah, right. Hold on to that. So I appreciate you guys watching. These are the tools that I used to get it all taken care of. And I'll leave the link in the description below where to purchase these aluminum brake pedals and also acceleration pedal. Mine came with my car, but I'll still leave the link where you can purchase it. And also, if you don't mind, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them. And other than that, it's a wrap. I appreciate you guys for watching. And remember, I'm not from this planet.